This one, she works for a medical aid, you know. So she's not in a government hospital. Let me recap. Total earnings 25,000. Hey guys, welcome to our village. My name is Bonnie. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. I know today you clicked on this video because you want to see how much do nurses earn in South Africa. Guys, I wish I had pay slips of nurses that left Africa. It doesn't matter if it's other countries, but they left Africa to work maybe in Saudi Arabia or in the UK. If you are one of those nurses watching this video, please do send me your payslip so I can share with the audience, with the village. Yes, we do protect your identity and your employer. So please, if you want to contribute, just drop me an email with the details. Guys, in case you are clicking here for the first time, you have no idea what's going on, why am I sharing payslips? All these payslips, they are shared for a purpose of awareness and educational purposes, just for younger people to know what to expect, people who are in colleges, and also just young professionals, even not young, even older, anyone who's working, just to see where their salary is at. And it's been really helpful, guys, I promise you. Anyway, let's look at the guys. We all know nurses are not the same, and I have 7 pay slips here, so it will just give you an idea of what a certain nurse is earning and where. Okay, the first one, guys, is a clinical nurse practitioner, grade 1. Let's see what's her story, what she said. Okay, Bonnie, I'm a clinical nurse practitioner, grade 1. Qualification is nursing diploma 4 years plus primary health care 9 years. Okay, he works in the government hospital, and it's in KZN. Okay, you can see here. Basic salary is 36,448. And then there is in hospital area something 2,900, housing rental 900 rand, and then there is GEHS, individual safe 678. So this is what you get when you work for government, but you don't have a house yet, right? 678. So it's one of your benefits, right? So here, gross salary is 40,942. His deductions are 13,346. So his deductions just your tax, and then your the pension fund, and then he's got his own things, right? That he pays for clientele and whatnot. So his deductions is 13,346, and the net pay of 27,596. Okay, guys, this is a good one. Hey, that's someone who is a clinical nurse practitioner, grade 1, with a 4-year diploma in nursing plus primary health care 9 years experience. Were you expecting that? Yeah, because I've been hearing, oh, nurses they earn less than teachers they earn more. Were you expecting that? Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's move now to the next one. Let's see what's the story here. Hi Bonnie, I thought I can share my payslip with you just to help people that are willing to join managed care as staff nurses. Okay, so did you hear that? She wants to share her payslip to help other people, you know. So there is nothing malicious about sharing payslips, and you can do the same. So she did her 2-year diploma and have 1-year experience as a pre-authorization nurse for a medical aid company. Okay, so already I'm sure you can see that there's different ways, guys, to skin these cats. To skin these cats, hey? So this one, she 1.4, night shift allowance 500 rand, overtime 5,451, another overtime 3,600, and then total earnings is 38,748. Tax is 7,000, UIF 177. So total deductions is 7,886. This person has more money because she worked overtime. Let me just go back to the other one. She's got about 24, 60, let me see, 36 hours of overtime. That's where like 9,000 came from, because it was 36 hours of overtime. So I just want to see the one at a government hospital. Okay, so they didn't put the number of hours here where there was shift work. There's no overtime actually here, it's just shift work, and the fact that they worked on a public holiday, right? Yeah. Okay, but this is similar, guys. This is quite similar. Let me check the tax. The tax here is 4,494, right? And the one in government, they pay for medical aid. This is why their total, like their net earnings is 17,000, right, compared to the other one. And also the government one, they don't have overtime, guys. I don't see overtime here, right? But I don't know if you see it. Just let me know if you can see overtime. I'm going to make sure that this is zoomed in. I don't see any overtime here, right? I don't know, from where I'm sitting, it just looks like the one in government, they earn more without overtime, and the one in private, they get more because they have overtime. But I just want to quickly check their tax. This one, the tax is 4,494, and then the one in a private hospital, their tax is 7,700, because they have the 9,000, there is overtime. Okay, but yeah, guys, I don't know what you think. On this one, she's getting more because she's working more. You know, her net is 30,000 and she doesn't have a home. You know what I mean? But anyway, let's move on. Just let me know in the comment section what you think of this one. Okay, now we're moving to a professional nurse with a specialty PHP grade 1. Is PHP primary health care? I don't know, guys. What is PHP? I think I've asked this before, but anyway. Hi Bonnie, I'm a nurse, professional nurse with it's PHC, not PHP. I'm the one who made a mistake. So it's primary health care. So primary health care grade 1, and she's working in the rural area, a working experience with specialty for 7 years in the Department of Health, KZN as well. Guys, please, from Gauteng and other provinces, please send us your pay slips, please, for nurses. We want to see the difference. Okay, primary health care, 7 years experience. Let's see, specialty. Okay, basic salary 34,898. 34,000. Just hold it there, guys. I want to check the other one that did not have a specialty, working for the same province. Okay, no specialty, 25,000. Okay, fine. Now let's go, guys. You see how important this thing is, not to just generalize it. Oh, nurse. No, this one is specialty. Her basic is 10,000 more than the other one. Okay, so 34,000. Shift allowance 1,000, and then there's other shift allowance 1,000, 2,000, NP cash allowance. Okay, I know they don't get this anymore. 1,500. Housing allowance, homeowner 1,078. Her tax is 9,200. And then she's got other deductions. She's paying for medical aid. She's got a house. Okay, so gross salary is 44,000, right? And 64 rent. Deductions 15,000, and the net pay of 28,561. I think she gets paid well with speciality, and yeah, 28,561. I think it's good money, guys. I don't know what you think. But guys, please like this video if you find value, and consider subscribing, joining our village by subscribing. YouTube tells me that 70% of people who view my videos are not subscribed. Guys, it's free. Just press the subscribe button. Even to like the video, it's free. It helps me a lot, guys, so that I can be able to bring this content to you. So I know sometimes people, they like the video, but they don't really press like because they don't know if it will make a difference or not. And guys, please drop me comments, questions, suggestions, video suggestions, because I do respond. Okay, now let's move to a specialist professional nurse, right? Gross salary, this one they didn't show me a lot, but I can see here the gross salary is 37,947. And then deductions is 13,418, and then the net salary is 24,529. But they didn't show me the rest of the pay slip, so I couldn't see if they had maybe overtime. But their gross salary here is 37,941. So guys, yeah, that's what I had for you today. You can see the different levels and specialities in nursing. From this, I still feel, it's just me, I just feel like government nurses, they are getting more. But it's just me, guys. I don't know what you think. And please, guys, if you would like to send me a payslip from any sector, it does not mean industry, any job, any career, it does not matter if you're a cashier or anything, you work metropolis, anything, municipalities, anything, you can send it through to xaba.bonisile@gmail.com. For now, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.